Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about the graph of y equals f of x quantity squared, and I think the best way to do it is just to go right into the example. Okay, so a couple things are going to happen. We're going to look at these values that we have. The first thing is if we square an entire function, it forces everything to be positive. So in some ways, this is going to act like an absolute value function, where if we have something like this, it's going to then pop up like this, like how we saw on the absolute value function. But it does it in a slightly different way. So this is 4, 3. So if we plug in a 4 and we got a 3 out of it, in this new function where we're squaring it, that 3 is going to be squared. And so that's going to jump up to a new value of 4, 9. Now, because the outputs on this point and this point are 0, those will stay the same. Now, all these outputs, we don't know exactly what they are, but we know they're negative. So initially they're going to have to be positive because they're being squared, but they're also going to be squared whatever their value is. So for example, let's pretend like we knew that this y value right here was 2, negative 2. That's not only going to jump up to 2, but that's going to jump up to 4 because we have to square the negative 2. So what's going to happen is this portion is going to flip up here, but it's going to be steeper. So if we were to draw it, it's going to be something like steep like that, go up to that point, and then steep like that. Okay, that's it for this video. If you need additional help, come to Math Lab. Until then, calculate.